like once I come this way. Grab it. No, I'm scared. I need somebody to come.
Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, go.
Grab it. My hand is nowhere over there. Wait, okay. I can't see though. Like once I can see perfectly. So
Yeah, but once I like reach my hand,
just
I
go.
can't.
Keep going. You have
No.
to wait. I'll tell you when
You're
you have
literally so close. Just go.
Stick your head in the wheel thingy.
Don't laugh.
Just grab the bird.
I don't want to kill it.
But there's a bird. People should
Whoever else is
understand. There's a bird. And we've already seen everyone from our school, so it's casual.
We saw like 2.
Got it. Go. Get it. Get it. Go. 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 Yep. Yep. You got it. You got it.
Oh my god, is it gonna kill me? No, it's a bird.
Bird.
Is it really not gonna do anything?
Yes, I promise.
I
It
feel
won't
like
do
the
anything.
security officer is really. Come on, birdie.
Got it. You got it.
got
You
it.
got it.
Ah!